Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Auto Cars. The 2025 Jeep Renegade represents a significant evolution in Jeep's compact SUV lineup, blending modern design with advanced technology and robust performance capabilities. Exterior design. The 2025 Renegade showcases a refreshed exterior with a more aerodynamic profile. The iconic 7-slot grille is flanked by redesigned LED headlights, providing improved visibility and a contemporary look. Sculpted lines along the body enhance its sporty appeal, and new wheel designs offer a personalized touch. The available dual-pane panoramic sunroof adds an open-air experience, enhancing the overall driving ambience. Interior features. Inside, the Renegade offers a spacious cabin with high-quality materials and cutting-edge technology. The Uconnect 5 system features a 10.1-inch touchscreen compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. An available premium audio system delivers an immersive listening experience. The interior also boasts increased cargo space, with rear seats that fold flat to accommodate larger items, catering to both daily commutes and weekend adventures. Performance and capability. Under the hood, the 2025 Renegade offers multiple powertrain options, including a fuel-efficient turbocharged engine and a plug-in hybrid variant, reflecting Jeep's commitment to sustainability. The renowned Jeep Active Drive 4x4 system ensures exceptional off-road capability, allowing drivers to tackle various terrains with confidence. Selectable drive modes adapt the vehicle's performance to different driving conditions, enhancing both safety and enjoyment. Safety and driver assistance. Safety remains a priority in the 2025 Renegade, which comes equipped with a suite of driver assistance features. Standard offerings include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning with active braking. These technologies work in unison to provide a secure driving experience, whether navigating city streets or exploring off-road trails. Conclusion. The 2025 Jeep Renegade seamlessly combines Jeep's legendary ruggedness with modern amenities and eco-friendly options. Its updated design, advanced technology, versatile performance, and comprehensive safety features make it a compelling choice for those seeking adventure without compromising comfort or style. For a visual overview of the 2025 Jeep Renegade, you might find the following video informative.